Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rosemary Salem, and today we are going to be diving into you.com. Now, a little backstory, you.com is an AI tool. It is super amazing. It hosts a lot of your favorite LLMs, and we're going to do like a walkthrough, and I'm just going to share with you what you can do using the free version of you AI, well, basically you.com. Now, you.com was actually my very first AI tool that I ever used before ChatGPT and Claude and all of your favorites. There was you. So, um, personally, I feel that you is great for writing, and I'm going to actually prove that to you in this walkthrough. So, I'm going to share my screen and we're going to go right into the training for today. All right. You.com. So it's going to prompt you to make a profile. You can just use your regular login pathway, but this is you.com. When I use you, I actually never made an account. So today I made my account. You can, this is the home page once you get here. So they have some features, marketing, sales, engineering, product, data analysis, and finance. And then they have like research, creative, build your own custom agents and Genius. So this is like for multi-step agents. Now, let's look into the models. So we're going to click more here. When you click more, it's going to show you some more agents. You can add a new agent if you would like. Um, I would highly recommend you guys start exploring with agents if you haven't already. It's like the next step from just basic learning how to prompt. So the pro version, you get obviously more because you're paying for it. Pro version, I'll show y'all the payment plans, but off the top, I know that for you.com it's $15 a month. But it's kind of like similar to poe.com, poe.com, where you can, as you can see as I'm scrolling, get access to multiple models for the price of one, which is a stealer. So I know you.com right now is currently $15 a month, and they got another tier. But again, we'll go through the pricings together. So you got OpenAI's new models, which is O3 Mini, O3, they got the high effort, then O3 Mini. They got O1, they got O1 Preview, O Mini, O1 Mini, and then look at all of the access you get on the free tier. You still get GPT-4o Mini, which is super powerful. Your GPT-4o, I'm not going to name all these, but I do want to show you that they give you Claude 3 Sonnet for free and Claude 3.5 Haiku for free. That alone is crazy. Now, I find it funny that DeepSeek R1 is on their pro account, but I digress. We just gonna let that be what it is. And then you see you still get all of this for free. So as you can see, you get more on the free tier than really on the paid tier. So it's super amazing beginner friendly platform. I'm not gonna do any prompt exercises, but I will tell you that it is amazing platform for creative writing. So if you're like working on anything where you feel like I need my outputs to be super creative, I don't need it to sound robotic. I feel that you, from day one, masters writing. I feel like that was like the number one takeaway from my experience with the platform. So, I do, you know what? I just contradicted myself when I said I wasn't gonna do any prompting, but I kind of want to build an agent. I just want to see the process. So let's um since I've been pushing writing, let's make Maya the ghostwriter. So if you all are not familiar with what a ghostwriter is, it is a secondary person who helps you complete your literature project. So they can write the entire project for you and you just conceptualize it, or they just serve as a second hand in the writing process. So they chip in where you need more assistance on extending paragraphs, adding more context, and even editing. So we're going to create Maya the Ghostwriter. And the description is are a you are an expert uh children's picture book ghost writer. Now, the description is more so for you, just an FYI, but the instructions are where you're gonna need to be a little more detailed. So I'm actually gonna copy this and put it as the instruction, but I'm gonna add more um, ages 4 through 8. Um, Fun and adventurous. I think that's how you spell adventurous. Y'all, I am not the best speller. I'm Queen Typo. Now, as you can see over here, now that we've created the instructions, so that's just how you want to use the model. We're going to go. Now, you can choose your base model. I'm going to choose Sonnet. And then if I had any sources, as you can see, I can upload documents and it has web access and advanced and then premium data. So I'm just showing y'all what all it can do. Then it says view access. I don't want this to be seen, but you may want that. It says want to keep it. Oh, so private, I think private is for pro. So Maya's going public, y'all. So we just created our agent. I don't know where she went. Oh, there she go. So it's just gonna pop up right there. And I can share the agent. So you can come on here and build some agents. I'm sure there's a marketplace to look at other people's agents if that's the case. But since we built our agent, let's plug her in. So as you can see, she's highlighted down there. I'm gonna just say hi, Maya. Okay. It's thinking. So I just want to highlight, I love the UI. The UI used to be completely different from when I used it like 2.5 years ago when I started in 2022. November 2022 is when I first used a large language model, which was you. And then Maya is speaking. She says she smiles brightly. Hello there. I'm Maya the ghostwriter, an expert in crafting fun and adventurous picture book stories for kids ages 4 through 8. And as y'all can see, okay, so I want to test Maya. I want to give Maya like a simple, want Maya to come up with a short story. So we're going to say, please create a short story about dogs. And we're using Claude Sonnet as our base model. And again, this is 100% for y'all. So it's Biscuit the Backyard Explorer. It says Biscuit was the friendliest golden retriever pup you ever did see. His tail wagged a million miles an hour whenever his human family was around. But when they left for the day, Biscuit liked to explore the backyard on his own. Off the top, great writing. I'm just skimming, as y'all can see. So I want y'all to go and check out u.com. Start utilizing it, building agents. If I feel like it's super user friendly. So 10 out of 10 on the user friendly. The UI is amazing. And you get access to all these models for free. I didn't know that all of this was on here. I'm actually working on some things. So I had to check out u.com. So now that I see all that's available, I wanted to show y'all so y'all can get your life and start creating and utilizing AI. So if you like this video, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, love y'all with love of Christ. Bye.